Come on in, come on in, come on in. Good morning, guys. My name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting, and I want to bring to you something quick, easy, and it works. I'm telling you, try it. So what we have here is we have two different masks. We have this one. This is the standard one everybody's wearing, which is cool. What I would suggest is that you double this one. But then we have this one here. This is an OSHA mask, and this is the one that I like to wear at work. Okay, and then we have this. I ordered these from Amazon. I think you get maybe like 10 in a pack for a couple of dollars, guys. If you do not use these, then you're in for a treat, because I'm telling you, this helps you breathe better when this is inside the mask. It works for me. Prior to buying these, I had so many issues with fogging up my glasses and having a hard time breathing with my mask on. But ever since I used these, and I'm not saying that it's going to work for everybody, but I'm telling you what works for me, and there's a possibility that it works for you, especially if you like me and have to wear this thing for hours at a time. Just try it. It will not hurt. I'm pretty sure you probably can buy these at your discount stores. I don't care which one. None is cheaper, but they probably all works the same. It keeps the mask completely off your face. What I would suggest is that you have a tissue and you constantly wipe, because you're breathing in and out. You will have some like sweat on this plastic here. So what I do is every once in a while I go rinse it off in the bathroom, dry it, and put it right back in my mask. But what I wanted to tell you guys, is I purchased these here at Dollar Tree. And this right here is a blessing in disguise. I'm going to show you how I use these along with these here. And it works. It keeps it in place. It keeps it from moving. And like I said, all day I don't have to worry about this falling or slipping down, or my mask slipping down. This helps secure my mask to this, and I don't have to worry about it dropping all day. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is what I do is I'm going to turn it this way. Okay? I'm going to take my dot. I'm not going to take this one here. This is the soft one. I'm going to take this rigid one here, this one right here, and I'm going to fasten it. If you want to, you could take the other one, but this one here works better for me, and it sticks to the mask. So what I do is I just put it around here, and I also do it to the bottom right here. Now check this out, guys. Check this out. Let me just fix this a little bit. Put it right in the middle. This is what I do. I open up my mask, and however you do your your tie backs or whatever, that's fine. But what I do is I'm going to put my crease right where my nose should be at, and I'm going to adhere this to this. Now check this out, guys. I'm not going to put it right on the tip, right? I'm going to put it right here. Look at this. Look at this. Okay? And that's just one holding it in place. So now I'm going to take the bottom and do the same. Look how it snatches and hold it right in place. Easy, quick, and I don't have to worry about it coming off. And then you could just put it right on your face, and it will stay all day. At the end of the day, I've washed it, and it continued to stick. Just make sure you don't get nothing on this part here. As you can see, it grips it. You see that? And look, guys, just look. It stays on, and this is the same way it will do on your face. It'll stay on your face all day, and you don't have to worry about the mask getting in the way of things. This really works for me. So I'm going to take this off of here, just that easy. Look, as you can see, it sticks on there just like that. Now check this out, and I'm going to do the same over here, just like that, guys. Just push it down, and it works. Look, don't come off, and it works, and it's perfect for me. It's perfect. I don't have to worry about that mask being all on my face. It was driving me absolutely crazy. So I had to come up with something quick and fast, and this what works for me, guys. Try it. for you and your family. I mean, because this mask thing is going to be here for a while. It's not over yet, and so let's make it much easier for us to deal with the mask. Again, you don't have to use both fastens, but if you choose to, fine and well. You're going to put this one down first, here. You're going to put that one there. And just make sure you press it down so it can really stick. And then you're just going to stick this part here to this part. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Alright, guys, I just wanted to bring this to you guys so it can make it easier for you to breathe. Guys, have a good morning. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.